Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenius Ideas. Today we are going to be dealing with arguments and parameters. As beginners, these two terms can confuse a lot. While they are related, they are not the same. So let's just break them down using examples. So a parameter is a variable listed inside the parenthesis in a function definition. It acts as the placeholder for the value that will be passed into the function when the function is eventually called. For example, I can do something like def greeting, then I'll pass in name. Okay, then after that I'll do something like print a formatted string hello, then I'll bring a comma, then name. Okay, so this is a parameter over here. Okay, I want you to see a parameter as a condition that is required for a function to execute. In this case, name is a parameter. Okay, something that is needed for the function to execute. So it is defined in the function's signature. That is why we are calling it a parameter. Now, what is an argument? An argument is the actual value that is passed into the function when the function is eventually called. For example, I can do something like greeting, then Alice. Okay, so this is an argument. Okay, this is an argument of the function greeting. Okay, it's the real value that is being passed into the function, while the parameter is just the placeholder data that is required to be provided by the function call. Wherever you are calling this particular function, you need to provide this particular a value that will represent name. So this is a parameter, while this is an argument. So the key differences between the two of them is that the parameter is defined in the function signature over here. Okay, while the argument is the actual value that is being passed into the function. So let us do another example. Say, let me close this one. Let me do another example. Say, def add numbers to num1 comma num2. Then I'll just result equals to num1 plus num2, no, num2. Then I'll print the result. Then calling the function, I can do something like under the function call add numbers, maybe 3 comma 2, and that is it, also we might have default parameters in some particular cases. We can have something like default parameters. So for example, let me use this function again. Okay, no, control Z, no. So let me use this function again. I can have something like name equal to maybe Gideon. So copy, then paste. I'll leave this one empty. So parameters can have default values if no argument is provided. So in this case, argument is provided. So name will be taking the value of Alice, but in this case, no argument was provided. So a contingency was made for it, which is Gideon. If I should run this code, for example, you can see I'm having hello Alice and hello Gideon. Okay, so that is it. So you don't pass a parameter into a function. It is an argument that you pass into a function. All right, it is argument that you pass into a function. So that will be all for now. A parameter basically is the placeholder in the function definition, while the argument is the actual value being passed when calling the function. So that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for staying till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.